Let's break down AMC stock today. What's going on? I will definitely show you the options trading volume. The first target is $3, and we are exactly heading toward $3. We will also go over volatility, options. What's happening here? So, looking at it, the trend for AMC has recently reversed. And maybe that was the final bottom, after which the stock can start rising and has good potential to grow very strongly. Actually, if you're worried you missed this rise, even though the stock has already increased by 160%, you absolutely don't need to worry. Because precisely, right now buying is actually much, much safer than at $1. Someone will say, stop, wait, the stock has already nearly doubled. Even more, how is it safer? Well, because until we confirm a reversal, the stock could fall further, deeper, do another reverse split, and everything else. Right now, of course, as we can see, the stock is starting, and this isn't that kind of rally driven by short squeezes. No, it's a smooth, solid, high-quality rise. The stock goes up, and then inevitably pulls back, and then it goes up again. Overall, everything is going very well so far. Let's look at volatility. As we can see, volatility for this stock is gradually falling. At the moment, it has dropped to 80%. That's fairly low volatility for a stock like AMC. I remember that during the short squeeze, volatility reached 600%. So, first, as we can see, the volatility smile is tilted toward call options. That means implied volatility is rising specifically on call options, while on put options, it's practically not rising. So, probably nobody is hedging. Demand for put options isn't very large, whereas demand for call options is much higher. And again, if you happen to want to buy call options, then, my friends, you absolutely need to look at this chart and see which options are cheaper. As we can see, the cheapest options begin in January 2027. That is, long-dated options. Because if you buy near-term options, you will simply overpay for their price. So, my friends, if you suddenly set out to buy, then, of course, not earlier than 146 days. That is, not earlier than January 15th, 2027. But again, this is exclusively if we are looking at the volatility smile. This is the most logical decision at the moment. Now let's look at options trading volume. We have very large volumes specifically on call options. On put options, our largest volume is at $2.5. Let's look at that volume right away. Yes, it is located just right here. Very, very close. What do we have on calls? So, for calls, we have a very large volume at 2.5. In other words, that's the nearest target for the stock. $3. That is the previous high. I fully admit the stock could rise to that level. But again, besides the very large volume, and besides the fact that it's a price magnet, it is also very significant resistance. So, my friends, yes, the stock can comfortably reach $3. But after $3, I expect it may run into that volume. And from there, we'll see what happens. If the news is positive, if we can push that price through, then of course, the stock could start to rise even further. That's, by the way, a very good sign, very good potential. Let's look at open interest in options. Open interest in options is also concentrated at $3. But we also have $5 and $10. In fact, $10 has the largest open interest. That's for January 2027, specifically at $10. So, my friends, someone sees potential in this stock, but not in the immediate term, rather over the next 6 months. That means the price can gradually start to rise again, then correct, rise again, and correct again. But in any case, January 2027 is $10. At least that's what the options open interest is indicating. But again, there are no guarantees here. In general, my friends, there are no guarantees anywhere. These are just hypothetical assumptions. Let's get back to the stocks. So, in any case, my friends, wherever the price goes up or down, you can make money on it. But you need to construct smart option strategies. Again, that's why I specifically show you open interest and the volatility smile. If you ever want to buy or sell options, you need to look at which options are more expensive. You can't do without that. Let's continue to watch this stock. Actually, there's good potential here. Moreover, the trading volumes for this stock are slowly beginning to rise. And once more, it's a good sign if we don't start rising because of short squeezes, since short squeezes always end with a sharp drop. A steady, measured rise for this stock is the best outcome at the moment. Now let's look at the news. AMC filed its DEF 14A ahead of a September 24, 2026 annual meeting with several governance and compensation items that matter for shareholders. The board is asking to declassify the board, move to annual director elections, allow stockholder action by written consent, remove limits on calling special meetings, 20% ownership threshold in the bylaws, and increase the 2024 Equity Incentive Plan from 25 million to 50 million Class A shares. The filing notes only 7,023,464 shares remain under the current plan, while 8,966,579 are tied to outstanding RSU/PSU awards. So approval would create material headroom for awards and potential dilution. The board recommends a vote for these proposals. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. I also recommend you watch my previous video. Good luck, everyone. To be continued.